Good afternoon, LC people. Well, it's Sunday, I'm at home, so I'm looking at some of the kit that I've bought. TRW, I don't know these. I bought this clutch repair kit off the bay. It was like 70, I think it's 71 quid. So basically it's come with like the clutch cover gasket, some new springs and some new clutch plates. I don't know this company TRW. It was advertised ZBC stuff and it's come as this. So well, it's going to go on the bike. I'm going to try them out. I'll let you know how this gets on. Now I'm at home this afternoon. I thought I'll just show you a bit of Dave and what Dave's about on a Sunday afternoon. This is my kitchen. Obviously it's very busy. There's me and my wife Sandra. My dad, bless him, sadly gone. My mum over there, bless her, Winnie. So yeah, this is my kitchen. This is bits and pieces. Anyway, it's supposed to be LC related, so we're going to get on to some of that. The relationship I have with my mate Steve over at the unit is basically based on this F2. And I bought it off him 4 years ago now, and I sold it. It's gone up north to some guy in a garden centre. I lost a lot of money on it, but hey, it's up here in lights because this inspired me again to get back into my bikes after many years of not doing anything. So yeah, this is what I'm about. This is where I am. This is my tabletop. I like my 70s arcade games, but yeah, I've got all my videos on here. You know, I miss the video shop where you could go down and pick anything off the wall that you wanted and eye it for the weekend. So yeah, if I get bored of what crap's on the TV or on YouTube or Netflix, yeah, I'll just go through my films and just put anything I want on, really. There's my wife Sandra, bless her, look, reading a book. But this is Dilly Dilly Dave. Snooker Q there. Yeah. But mate, that's the guys out there. Thank you so much for all your positive comments on the videos. I'll continue doing them. I know it's Christmas, so everybody, I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. I just bought my Volvo back down there. I had it a few years ago, bought it back off my mate Steve and spent a lot on it. Yeah, I know they're not supposed to be bikers' best friends, but when I go to the powder coaters, it's so much easier to put it in that than the back of the Corsa. Got a little Vauxhall Corsa. But sadly that's got to go. And yeah, I've got my old Volvo back. So anyway, folks, thanks for all your positive bits and pieces. But this is Dave's domain. This is where he comes to hide when he's not at the unit. Thanks for watching. And I hope the club doesn't delete the post. I know it's not completely about LCs. Thanks, everybody. Love you all. Happy Christmas. Dilly dilly.